morning. So the mailman didn't do a very good job with my mystery tackle box. I'm going to have to ruin the box to get it out of my mailbox. Whoever the mailman isn't doing a good job, or Carl needs to start making these boxes a little smaller. So we better open this. We're going to have to open the box to get it out. Ooh, that's a nice looking frog. A filthy frog from Guggen Squad. And then there's some of a nice American flag fish sticker. That'll have to go in my truck. Let's see, can we get this box out? What the heck? Here's some 10,000 fish yodel worms, some Fry Series crappie sets. Let's see what else is it here. Some Zoom Slim Glowsies. And there's a lot of stuff in this. Where to fish the yodel worm. Where to fish the Guggen Squad. And there's these little twirly thing jigs. These whirlybird jigs. And some headbangers knocker heads. And some weights. Ooh, those will be good for catfish fishing. That filthy frog is $8.99. The headbanger rocker head is $7.99. The Genko fishing whirlybird is $5.99. The 10,000 fish yodel worm is $5.29. The Genko fishing tickle fry is $4.49. Holy crap, that is a lot for those little plastics. And the Northland tackle bait sticker is $2.99. Whatever, this is the most messed up mystery tackle box unboxing, and I'm having to rip the box to get it out of my mailbox. My mailman messed up a little bit. That's just quite the funny unboxing. Anyways, it's got some good baits to fish with. But my mailman did an F job, and he could have damaged some of my fragile lures. I think that'll be it for this unboxing. I'll try fishing with all this stuff. And I know like stuff like this, I'll definitely catch fish on, because I've been doing a lot of panfish fishing. So anyways, that'll be it for my mystery tackle box, and I'm ecstatic to try this stuff out. See you later.